Namaste, Vanakkam, Swagatam to all of you, and welcome to this grand series that's going to be online this year, 2020. We are celebrating Navaratri, which is the 9 nights and the 10 days. So, welcoming you all wholeheartedly. As you all know, I'm Divya Priya Bhavanani, and I'm glad to share this stage with many people, many great personalities, especially from our Yognath family and also our worldwide Geetananda Yoga family. So, taking this auspicious occasion, I'm glad to release the theme of our Navaratri series, which we have called Navaratri Kala Yajna 2020. So, grace us by watching this lovely theme.
शक्तियुं मिचा शक्तियुं ज्ञान शक्तियुं क्रिया शक्तियुं मिचा शक्तियुं ज्ञान शक्तियुं
So, hope you all enjoyed the theme. So, this is going to be our everyday routine of watching this theme and invoking the Shaktis. So, to start, let's start with the Gayatri mantras, invoking Lord Ganesha, and then the three Shaktis, and then the Guru Gayatri. So, please join me. तद्गणेशाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिः प्रचोदयात् ॐ कात्यायनाय विद्महे कन्याकुमारी धीमहि तन्नो दुर्गा प्रचोदयात् ॐ वरलक्ष्मी च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात् ॐ वीणागणाय विद्महे वृंचपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो सरस्वती प्रचोदयात् ॐ तत्परम्पर्याय विद्महे ज्ञानलिङ्गेश्वराय धीमहि तन्नो गुरु प्रचोदयात् ॐ योग महर्षि डॉक्टर स्वामी गीतानंद गिरी गुरु महाराज की जय. So again, welcome to all of you, and this Navaratri Kala Yajna is going to be a grand online celebration. It's going to involve many activities such as musical sessions involving divine chanting, devotional singing, songs, bhajans, even special appearance of many dances and broadcasts of our Yognath's Tri Shakti drama, which was a grand success for us 2 years ago. So we are bringing this back to invoke the great energy of the three Shaktis, and it's very important to think of the three Shaktis the Kriya Shakti, Icha Shakti, and Jnana Shakti. So this is the main purpose of this, and also to bring back all of you and many of the divine souls, and bringing back the entire family, welcoming new souls and joining the souls that are already part of this family, because this is a way that we can connect and share and care for each other. So this is the main one, and also a special prayer for Ammaji's quick recovery, as she is also a Shakti and a very important Shakti for all of us in our lives. So this is the main purpose of this Navaratri Kala Yajna. So this is an offering to the three Shaktis, Durga Shakti, Lakshmi Shakti, and Saraswati Shakti. So to go more into, well, I have to introduce this Navaratri series and what we are going to do, because many of you will be curious about what is going to happen. So we are going to have 10 days, 10 continuous days, 10 days meeting at 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time on Divya Priya Bhavanani Facebook page live. So we are in these 10 days, this is the introduction. So this is the day before the actual Navaratri starts. Actually, Navaratri starts tomorrow, which is the 17th of October 2020. So for each of the Devis, they dedicate 3 days for each Devi. So 3 days for Durga Devi, 3 days for Lakshmi Devi, and 3 days for Saraswati Devi. And finally, we have Vijay Dasmi on the 10th day. So if you see in the 3 days, to make things more clear and more interesting, we are going to have different activities, but there's a common format. So the first day of each of the 3 Devis, we are going to have some stories, because I thought that before we start, we have to know the stories and the most essential ones. We are not going to go too much into it. So the essential stories, and we are having 3 divine and great personalities, and I can't think of any other person than them. So we are going to have 3 people, each person for each respective Shakti, and then followed by devotional chanting by the family that we have in Italy, Mata Geetananda Ashram in Italy. They are so close, and all of you would have seen them in the Global Voices series also. So they will be sharing some devotional chanting for us, because it's very important to invoke the Shaktis. And on the second days of each of the Shaktis, we are going to have some divine singing, devotional singing of bhajans, stotrams, songs. So again, we have 3 personalities. So they will be sharing some songs, invoking the respective Shakti on that day, followed by some, not really an interview, but more of a chat online, where we will have 3 people plus me on stage, and we will be discussing the experience of the Tri Shakti drama, and I told you previously, which was they were part of the drama, and they played major roles in many scenes also. So in that, again, we have 9 personalities, 3 for each Shakti. And then finally, the third day, which is going to be, I think, the most awaited event. The third day of each of the Shaktis, we will have the broadcast of the major scenes from Tri Shakti drama for each of the Shakti. So this is just a basic outline, and we will be posting the timetable for this event so that you are updated. And every day we will be announcing the day after what we are going to do. So don't worry. So I've given you a basic outline. So some of the personalities that are going to grace us by their presence, they are Yoga Sadhaki Tejasvi, Yogacharini Devasena Bhavanani, Yoga Chemmal Reena Dayanidhi, and we have Dr. Sangeeta from Italy. We have S. Vidya Shankari from Yognath, Pondicherry, and we have Yoga Sadhaki Jyoti Priya And then we have, of course, Dr. Padma Prashantini and Yogachemmal Kanimozhi. They played major roles in the drama. And we have Krishnaveni, Balasundari, Saumya, that's Devasena, and we have Lalita Shanmugam. So I've given you a basic outline of the people that we are going to have. And of course, we have the Geethananda family with us to help us. And on Vijay Dasmi, we have a special appearance of 2 people with us. So we have a wonderful 10-day ahead of us, don't we? And I am excited. I hope you are also excited. So just to get into more of this routine, we are going to play the introductory scenes from Yognath's Tri Shakti drama to give you an introduction to the 3 Shaktis. So hope you enjoy it.
Om Ganganabadaye Namah. Om Ganganabadaye Namah. Gajamugane 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 Ba. Gajamugane 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 Ba. Gananadane Karunayudan Arul Purivai. Gajamugane 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 Ba. Gananadane Karunayudan Arul Purivai. Gajamugane 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 Ba. Gananadane Karunayudan Arul Purivai. Gajamugane 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 Ba. Gajamugane Ba. Gajamugane Ba. Gajamugane Ba Ba. Gajamugane Ba Ba. Gajamugane Ba Ba. Om Katyayanaya Vidmahe Kanyakumari Dhimahi Tanno Durga Prachodayat. Om Vishnupatni cha Dhimahi Tanno Lakshmi Prachodayat. Om Venaganaya Vidmahe Vrinchapatni cha Dhimahi Tanno Saraswati Prachodayat. Om Kriya Shaktiyum Micha Shaktiyum Jnana Shaktiyum Kriya Shaktiyum இச்சாசக்தியும் ஞான சக்தியும் நீ. தஜம் தகஜம் தகதகிட தஜம் தஜம் தகஜம் தஜம் தஜம் தகஜம் தகதகிட தஜம் தஜம் தகஜம் தஜம் தஜம் தகஜம் Durga Lakshmi Saraswati 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 துணை புரிந்த உள்வாயே மாயே Durga Lakshmi
nice time watching the introductory scenes from the Tri Shakti, and we have more to come. Actually, the truth is we have a lot more to come, and so hoping for all your support and your blessings, which help us always. So the very important thing for now, we have a special appearance coming up. So it's a suspense for all of you by Swamini Atmananda from the Mata Geetananda Ashram in Italy. So she has performed a short dedication of her dance to Lord Ganesha. So let's have that in this wonderful occasion.
गजानन पद्मार्गं गजानन महर्निशम् गजानन पद्मार्गं गजानन महर्निशम् अनेकदन्तम् एकदन्तम् एकदन्तम् उपास्महे एकदन्तम् उपास्महे एकदन्तम् उपास्महे
ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗೌರಿ ತನಯ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗೌರಿ ತನಯ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ ಗೌರಿ ತನಯ ಗಜವದನ ಗೌರಿ ತನಯ ಗಜವದನ ಬೇಡುವೆ
ಮೋದದಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಪಾದವ ತೋರೋ ಸಾಧು ವಂದಿತನೇ ಆದರದಿಂದಲೇ
ಮೋದದಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಪಾದವ ತೋರೋ ಸಾಧು ವಂದಿತನೇ ಆದರದಿಂದಲೇ
ಮೋದದಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಪಾದವ ತೋರೋ ಸಾಧು ವಂದಿತನೇ ಆದರದಿಂದಲೇ
ಮೋದದಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಪಾದವ ತೋರೋ ಸಾಧು ವಂದಿತನೇ ಆದರದಿಂದಲೇ.
So that was a small dedication to Lord Ganesha, as he has to keep us away from all the obstacles during these 10 days. So thank you to all of you, and hope this introduction was beneficial, and hope it solved all your crises. Many of the thoughts that you had, hope I cleared them to an extent. So from tomorrow we are going to have quite a schedule. quite a tough one, but sometimes doing the tough things are better actually. And when you gain victory over it, just as you know, Durga Devi gains victory over Mahishasura, we will go past these 10 days and we will gain victory over darkness. So always the light should win over the darkness. So thanking all of you, and please join us in the upcoming 10 days. We have a schedule up to the 26th of October, and we will be having our Tell Me Appa going on Sundays. So join us and keep being yourself, and let's learn that sharing is caring. So thank you and namaste. We will keep you updated on the upcoming events. Thank you.